Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ambient sound control mods on your earbuds Sony. And you have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. And right here in the first line we have ambient sound control. If you haven't it, you need to scroll down, click at the edit at the bottom, and click at the slider near to the ambient sound control. Now, to manage it, you need to also click on it, and right here we have it. But you can also scroll down, go to device settings, and you will see the same menu as I have. Now, as you can see, right here is turned off because we do not select any of these two mods. We do not use ANC or transparency mod. So now let me click on it, and now we used ANC. Right here, as you can see, it enable, and also we use ANC. And we can't manage it. We can manage only ambient sound control, because now if I swap it to, let's say, third level, as you can see, if we return here, we just use ambient sound. So it's transparency mode, it's not ANC. And if you just enable transparency mode, it will use the last level. So there's 20 levels of it, of the sound, and you can just move the slider to the left or to the right to change it, and also you can enable voice passthrough. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.